All right, we're sitting with about 20 seconds to the bell. The two I'm watching the most closely are NETE over 10 and CHEK over what's the pre-market high? 790. ATOS we'll keep an eye on, but right now CHEK and NET are the ones I like the most.
Check.
I'm long CHEK.
Check.
Long CHEK for a scalp. This one has room, as you can see, up to $9. No fill in my IRA, as usual.
WTTR.
Such a joke. So I'll cancel those orders.
WTTR.
This one, partial fills though, and even in my main account. I only got 2,000 shares of a 10,000 share order. So it just moved fast. The thing is, CHEK has room up to $13 on the daily chart. So I'll look to add out of the halt. NETE had a high of 1019. Possible scalp there. Just watching it right now. This one, NETE is nice, but it just being a little more expensive. All right, so CHEK holding 2,000 shares right now. Disappointing that I didn't get a full order filled, but it's a fast mover. Here, curling up a little bit. Here would have to break over $5. Mara, M-A-R-A, looking at it. Yeah, I see that. A little on the cheaper side. CHEK buying out of a halt is always riskier. I would be comfortable adding up to 5,000 shares out of the halt. It has room up to $13 basically. So I would look to scalp it, but I'm not sure that it'll. I don't know. I think it's definitely worth a scalp at the least. But I wouldn't go in really, really aggressive. I tried to take 15,000 shares at 790 and I didn't fill anything. So then I tried to take 10,000 shares at 850 and I filled only 1,900. to draw sometimes with fast-moving stocks. So right now, looking for other stocks to hit the scanners. I don't know why the scanner didn't catch it. It's a good question, actually. Not sure.
ARGS. Check.
All right, so there's resumption. I just added at 85 for a scalp over $10. See if it holds up here. I want a scalp over 10. So I would add again at $10. Ah, come on. Let's see what this does. I give it a 1 minute pullback range to pop back up. So the high of that candle was 95. So I want to see it obviously get back over 950 over the half dollar. Watch the first 1 minute candle to make a new high on it. No doubt about that. So there's the first candle to make a new high. Stopped out with a $200 loss. So manage risk as best as I could on it. I should have just taken profit.
PRQR.
Disappointing to see it not hold up very well.
HLX.
Here I'm long at 95. Long here at 95 for a little scalp. So here the setup on this is continuation.
Here.
550 would be the sort of back of the mind target. If we can get up to 550, then we're getting a real breakout on the daily chart. So I'm going to leave room to add. The high there was 526. So over 526 would be an add spot for me on here. You can see 550 is our daily. I mean, breaking out over $5, but really 550 is the spot that we want to see break. Watch for a scalp back over 5. Stopped out of here.
LEDs. AIHS. KZIA. So 2 trades, 2 losers. Get back. The high a day was 995, so you know it's got a ways to go before it is looking really good. See LEDs on the scans. It's a stock that pops up a lot. There's potential, but it is coming into its moving averages right now.
so it's not the cleanest daily chart. Needs to get above, I'd say,
AIHS.
really $4 to be looking good. Mara. Yeah, there's a possibility on that one as well. Again, you got 75, some bigger sellers. You can see that 17,000 share seller
KZIA.
at 75.
LEDs.
LEDS popping up a little more. LEDS I would look to scalp if it got... Alright, I'll scalp LEDS. A long LEDS for a... Only got partial fill, but long LEDS. Looks like it'll halt here. So 390 was the spot that I was saying that I wanted to see it break. That's because that was the 50 moving average. So I wanted to see it break over that moving average before I got in. I just didn't want to buy it right into a moving average. I wanted to see it break that level. So 5,000 shares. I would watch CHEK if it broke over 920 because it's got this little kind of pivot here around 920. 927 would be the next spot you'd want to see break. So watch CHEK for that. Might not happen, but I'll just keep an eye on it. LED on. Got an order on LEDS at 950 to add another 5,000 shares if it's strong.
AYTU.
All right, so LEDS possibly 30 seconds from resumption. Daily chart has room from 425 to 526. So that's the level that we want to see break, 425, and then 450. So I've got my order at 450 for a scalp on resumption. We'll see where it opens. So it looks like it's going to be a 10-minute halt. Oh, sorry, no. It's got 1 more minute to resumption. It's 9:51 in 8 seconds. CHEK dropping. So my orders are ready. So I've typed them in my order entry window, and all I have to do is press the buy button. So the high is 403. So we'll look for a scalp on resumption.
LEDs.
Looking for $0.50, 450. We've got a high now of 440. So over the high of 440, I would add again. So I'm going to put my order now at 440. So the high, I'm a little concerned that we're not seeing the level of follow through that really would like to see on these. Stopped out with a $556 winner. Just seems like this, we don't want to see it go red like that, so it's just disappointing. Not seeing good follow through today. Same with HEAR, here, CHEK. So, you kind of look back, which were the stocks that we were watching today. Not good follow through, not good follow through. My entry was 390. AKRX is a gap down reversal setup. So you've got gap fill from 1426 back up towards 19. There's a nice flag right here that just broke out. I don't usually go for gap down reversals, so probably would leave it alone. Nice, Peter. Good job. Right now, I'm just sitting tight unless we see something on the scanners that looks really good. Screen share is running. Just try resetting or logging back out and back in. So today we're just not seeing really good follow through on a lot of these names. CHEK. I still like the daily chart of this one, but it's going to take some time for it to curl and maybe get back over 9 and then break 920. Kind of line in the sand on this one to me is 920. So a little ways off that level. LEDS is not holding up. ATOS didn't really give us a setup. So, coming up towards 10 a.m., I'm down 1,100 bucks, up 4,800 yesterday. Maybe this is just going to be a little bit of an off day and have to wait till tomorrow for another opportunity to kind of try to build that profit cushion. I'd love to get another trade, but I don't want to go further into the red. Jern, yeah, forming a flag pattern. More of a swing trade type of stock. It's usually a slower mover. I lost 1,500 bucks on here. HEAR.
CLDC, 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 CLDC.